Hello everyone. Reaching out candidates real time via emails is one of the most powerful ways to contact them. However, you must be emailing up to 160 candidates by selecting them on every page and then filling up the email template to complete the process. But what if you're hiring in bulk and you have more than 160 candidates to email? So in that case, we have another option available known as Send a Job. This feature will benefit you in increasing the speed of emailing almost by 13 times by letting you contact up to 2000 candidates in one single go. So let us get started. I have already performed a sample search and on the result page. In the results, I have got some 741 CVs. Now to email them in one single go, I'll take my cursor to email, click on the option of send a job instead of send email. Please note, for using this feature, you should already have a live job posted on Naukri for the similar requirement. Now as you can see, it has taken me to a window where all my live jobs are available. I can search the respective job here and select the same. After selecting, the entire template would automatically get filled in. Now let's scroll a little. You can see this has a search index. Currently it is showing me 1 to 741, which is the last candidate. If I want to, let's say, contact 500 candidates, I can change the search index to 500. Similarly, if there are more than 2000 candidates, you can send to 2000 candidates first, then do this activity again and change the search index to 2001 to 4000. Now in this case, let us go back to 1 to 500. So first is the search index. Within these 500 candidates, who should be contacted? These two filters will decide. We have two filters, one on experience, two on annual salary, which are currently filled up as per your job posting. You can edit them as per the search that you have made, and we will not disclose them to the job seekers. After filling up the filters, click on Preview and Send. This is how the preview of the job looks like. And then you can click on Send to complete the process. So that is how you send the mailers and increase the reach almost by 13 times. Now for better, the responses that you will be collecting, instead of your email ID, you can go to Jobs and Responses and check the responses against the same job itself under Manage Jobs and Responses section. And that is all about it. Thank you for watching this video. For any doubts or queries, you may contact us back on these helpline numbers or email us at support@naukri.com.